In this video, we will learn how to use the data profile feature in Asteras Enterprise. Data profile, found in the data profiling section of the toolbox, is a means of collecting field statistics for your data. It provides basic and detailed information such as the data type, record count, error count, minimum and maximum values, etc. These statistics offer significant insights into the quality of your data, and based on these insights, enterprises are able to effectively improve the health of their data in the long run. Let's see how data profile works in Centerprise. Here, we have a sample dataset of customers from a fictitious organization that has been read using a database table source object. If we look at our source data, we can see that it contains some pieces of information regarding each customer, such as their name, contact title, city of residence, address, etc. And our goal is to create a data profile for all of these fields. Let's go ahead and do that. Drag the data profile object from the data profiling section of the toolbox and drop it onto the Dataflow Designer. You can see that the object is currently empty. However, these input ports can be used to map your source data into it. In this case, we will auto-map the entire dataset to the data profile object. Right-click on the object's header and select Properties from the context menu. This will take us to the Layout Builder screen. Here, you can edit, create, and delete fields, and also customize the layout of your dataset. Let's leave this as is and move on to the next screen. This is the Properties screen. Here, we will have to define certain properties for our data profile object. First, we will choose a file path for Centerprise to store the data profile. Checking this option will cause the date and time of a run to be appended to the file name, thus creating a new file each time you run the data flow. For now, we will leave this option unchecked. The drop-down list for field statistics provides options to choose the level of detail available in the final profile. Let's take a look at each of the options available on this list. Basic statistics is the default option and will only capture the most common statistics, such as the error count, error percentage, null count, null percentage, etc. for a particular data type. No statistics will not capture any statistics for the data profile. Detailed statistics, case-sensitive comparison, will capture advanced statistics such as the distinct count, distinct percentage, etc. along with the basic statistics, while using a case-sensitive comparison for string data types. Detailed statistics, case-insensitive comparison, will essentially do the same thing while using a case-insensitive comparison for string data types. In this case, we will be selecting the third option, which is detailed statistics, case-sensitive comparison. Now that we have defined all of the properties, let's close the configuration window and run the data flow. As you can see in the job progress window, Centerprise has created a profile for our data on the location that we had specified earlier. Clicking on the file path will open the data profile within Centerprise. Let's go ahead and expand the profile node, revealing all of the fields present in our dataset. As you can see, clicking on each field shows us a detailed statistical overview of that field. So this is how you can use the data profile feature in Centerprise. For more information on how to use Asteras Enterprise, you may also visit our support site. Thank you for watching this video.